Abby, and today I'm going to be doing seeing stars from Earth. So I will be showing you what stars you can see from Earth and how, like in the daytime, why can't you see the stars? Because like where do they go? Why aren't they there? So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I have some things I have to talk to you about, but I'm just gonna go down. So, some scientists, what they did was let me start off. What they did is picked a really dark part of the sky. So it's like all of this was the sky. They picked the dark really part. So really dark part. And they went closer to see what they could find. There weren't any stars in the sky. It was a dark night, clear. So here was what they found. These are all galaxies, and a lot of these are like 13.2 billion years old, like when the universe started. So it was like they just picked a dark spot and they found all of this, which is really cool.
So it just goes like this.
Okay.
Some of them go like.
So there's some other cool things here. What's this?
How do
No.
stars like go in like
No.
daily pattern?
Oh, okay. So let me start telling you some stuff. Okay, so I gotta demonstrate and explain how stars appear to travel through the night sky in a particular daily pattern. What does this have to do with the rotation of the Earth? Okay, so I got some facts down. So let me just go to those quickly so that I can explain it to you better. And then I have a cool picture to show you. Okay,
all depends.
the stars don't move. Stars don't move. They stay in one spot, but the Earth moves. So let's just say this is the Earth, and the sun's over here.
If this is the Earth, we're right here.
So what if you are right? So let's say this is the North Pole. So if you're on North Pole now,
the sky kind of just stays the same. But this looks like they orbit and rise and set and spin in a circle to us, even though that isn't the case. And so I'm going to show you here.
but we can tell where they are. So let me take this out actually. Okay. So if this is the Earth, and the Earth is this is the sun. Okay, so this is the sun. Here it is.
It's a star.
Okay, so this part of the Earth right now is getting the sun. So
See it almost all the time. But if it starts down here,
if this is where you work, okay,
so it's gonna rise and set.
no, sorry, let me stop here.
The star moves. Like sometimes we might.
This right now, let's just say this is July. So in July, all the stars, here, the stars are all around. They everywhere. Like if you look at a night sky, it's beautiful. You're not by any cities. You're like in Iowa or Michigan or Minnesota. You're not by any big cities, and you just look up and you see all these pretty stars. There's
you can't really see the North Star
a lot,
because the North Star is
and I have to tell you something.
This is dead.
So
This is dead. The North Star
stars
is
don't
all the
move,
way up
but
here. You can't really see
if this is July, all the stars are like here, all over, so you can see them. But then if I turned it, now it's let's say
things that we learned
December, but the sun is now this part of the Earth is getting the sun.
Like stars that
This part of the Earth, has stars like this, except at nighttime, and this one has stars too. So the stars don't move; they're just so many that it feels like they move, but they don't. If I think that makes sense, and I'm sorry if it doesn't.
And
Okay,
there
so
were easily 1,000 galaxies in the small area that they chose. And that's just what happens. We think there's absolutely nothing, and there
And
is.
what does that have to do with the rotation of Earth? Well, the rotation of Earth. That's what I just
So
explained.
that's kind
So
of
why are
another thing that's
why are stars
And
visible at
galaxies,
night and not during the daytime? I mean,
we see like
yeah, I
this
mean,
black
you would
and
think,
then
right, that
in
if they
space,
if
and
they
then
are
there
if
is
you look at
something
the
incredible.
Milky Way, okay,
So this is
if
actually
you look
an
into
image right
space,
here. Look at how many galaxies there are. And that was from, and so like they chose like an area probably about, I don't know how.
Okay, so
well,
if
let's
we
just
say
say
if we
to us
looked
it's this big, probably got a box
space,
around my face.
like
There's
all those galaxies,
There's
and you,
probably a million
so
galaxies,
we,
1,000 galaxies
okay,
in there,
so
and you
let's
don't
get
even
a
know,
thing of space,
which
and
is
let me show you
absolutely
something.
crazy.
Space.
Yeah.
Let's find a good one. Here, look at this.
So this one
In this photo,
shows how
you can
the
see
stars kind
so
of
many
orbit and
stars.
stuff, which you can really see. So
There's probably like a billion in this picture.
and this will show you like how the North Star rotates
And
how a lot of other things rotate.
like,
how the stars
look at
rotate.
this. Like, how many stars would there be? I'm not going to count them because it's like a billion. Like, this is where it is. Like, those are all the things that you can have. So, if you were... Okay, so all these stars. Okay, so this is a star. And, you know, the Earth is over here. There's so many stars that when the Earth is rotating, this star stays here. But there's so many stars all over the place that there's just so many that you think that it rotates, but it doesn't.
North Star is so
Okay.
It just has to go like this. But these stars
Let's
have
keep
to
this
go
open because I might need
that,
it
like the
later.
total
Okay.
are moving around.
And
And then
in the daytime, they're not
A
visible
lot of
because
times,
the
like,
sun is
you
so
can't
bright
see the full orbit
that
because
it doesn't need
it
it.
just doesn't
Because
work that way.
so
you
the
can't
sun, you know, is really bright, and so are stars. They are bright too. But
Okay, so
the sun's brighter than
North
those
Star is
stars.
right here. The North Pole is right up here.
And
So the North Star just comes up here and it just goes like that.
and
But like while stars
And, like-
here have to go
like so. Sorry. At nighttime, there is no sun, so the stars are the brightest ones inside. So you can see them nice.
kind of tell.
But in this, but
And
Sorry, I
then
just
that
got
kind
close.
of shows
But-
you, and then there's something between.
but in
Because
the
these right- there's
nighttime,
probably some almost
but in the
on the
sorry, in
equator
the
and
daytime, the sun is the brightest in the sky. So that's so the brightness of the sun.
because you can't go like directly.
You know, the brightness of the sun.
So I don't.
The brightness of the sun. Oh wait, the brightness of the sun takes out all of those stars. But when there's no sun,
Oh, here they are.
well, there's nothing brighter than
Okay.
the stars. So the stars are so clear and bright.
Shows you how
So I just
the
moved.
stars kind of like rotate.
Okay, so
No, they don't. How they
okay, so
kind of
the
go
so
in.
the globe. We have the globe, and you are. Let's see. How can I? Oh well, I might use this later. Actually, I'm sorry. Explain why the sun, moon, and many nighttime stars appear to rise and set, while some other times appear to travel in circles. So I had put a note on this. Stars orbit, so they look like they're going around in a circle. But really, they don't move, but it seems like they do. So,
We have 5
like-
minutes to lit circles. Obviously, if you need more, it's
And-
okay, but I'm going to start transitioning tables and stuff. So
you know, so the stars, you know, are going like this. From the North Star, let's see.
remember, all you have to do for the 100 millionth time is press publish and go away from it. Like, I say it every day.
So this is like
YouTube, it just takes a while, but it's done. Publish, take
90,
the
23.
URL, put that into where it belongs.
23, I mean, sorry. This is the North Star. And when the Earth is rotating, it's just going like this. But once it gets, you know, lower, it goes to a bigger circle. And then it goes to a bigger circle. And it depends on where these stars are. But since the Earth is at a... Wait, let me get Okay, so... Okay, so the Earth was at an angle. So the North Star would go like this. Then the next star would go
Your
like
vlog
this.
is finished, please transition to lit
Like
circles.
this. And it gets bigger and bigger because the rotation is you know, getting bigger because you have to go around a bigger thing. The next thing. Describe and explain any of the concepts that you've learned during this lesson. I've also learned that, like,
If you're done
The-
with other stuff, check out
like
the
that-
pictures on the board too.
the Milky
One
Way.
is facing north and one is facing south.
The Milky Way. Like, let me show you that really cool thing I was gonna tell you.
Well,
If you were on a clear night,
in the
Okay,
southern
clear night,
hemisphere, if you
no,
face
no,
south,
you're not by anything. You can
maybe not.
go like forward, but still be able to see the trees. And there's no moon. This, oh, not that. Try this one then. Sorry, this was taking long. This is what it could look like. It's like it's just going over you. So it's not. It's like a rainbow in the sky, except it's not a rainbow. So this is kind of what it looked like. Just totally faint in the sky, and you need to go outside on a clear night, no moon, and then wait outside, and not go on any electronics or anything that would turn a flash on, anything that would ruin your eyes and not be able to see that. And that will show you the Milky Way, and it's really pretty. I've never actually seen it, but it looks really nice. So when you look at the sky and you're not using any telescope, you can see 9,060 stars, or more, or less, with just your eye. And stars' brightness gets. Oh yeah, I think I told everything that there is on here. Oh, sorry, this is. Okay, sorry about that. And that's pretty cool, and it's just really cool if this, that the star's brightness depends on everything. It doesn't, and that's what happens to them
I did.
during.
It was okay. Yeah, it didn't work out.
During,
Thought I had an idea.
that's what happens during when it's daytime and when it's nighttime. So